Hi. Today a very short video with Apple 20-watt USB-C power adapter unboxing, and the end of this video the output power measurement. In case you didn't know, the Apple no longer gives in-pack headphones and charger with their iPhone phones. Buy a new iPhone, and you won't even have a charger to charge iPhone with it. Sad, but it's nowadays reality. Now, let the background music play, and let's see what is in that Apple charger box and how many amps that charger can drain.